Okay, so let's see, we got to tilt this way a little bit. So we're here at the beautiful Blockade Runner Resort, August 17th, 2018, preparing for the International Cornhole Tournament. Oh, let's see who else we have here. Would you like to be on our corporate video? And I'm not kidding. Here we have Mr. and Mrs. Fred Former. Are you having a good time yet? Absolutely. Good answer. Here we have the beginning of the International Tournament. From Chicago, Illinois and Hibbing, Minnesota, Jim Angus against Jason Yanish. We're on round 3 and competition is getting fierce. These people are coming into they're all bundled up. So I'm going to make a video of them giving. Okay, so wait. So here we are, the third prize winners of the first International Rulmeca International Cornhole Championship, Jim Angus of Belkin region, Germany. So now the presentation of the coveted awards. Brian will be awarding the first prize, a valuable gift, a keepsake. And Mr. J. Graham will be presenting the second prize to our champions. Let's have a hand for these guys, everybody. Making a video. You know, Steve, I think it might be harder to watch a video than it is take this ride.